If you have any experience of playing snooker and you are interested in coaching others, join Hindi Snoker Coach Certification Program from any part of the world. We already have different coaches from different parts of the world. We have coaches from Australia, we have coaches from India, we have coaches from Kenya, we have coaches from Pakistan. So, you can join AQ Snooker Coach Certification Program physically and online. My WhatsApp numbers are there, contact me and let's start your certification. With AQ Snooker Coach Certification Program, you are not just gonna get the certification, but you will also know the ins and outs of snooker coaching and how you can promote snooker in your city, in your country, in your club. So join AQ Snooker Coach Certification Program. We will promote you in our social media. I will personally help all coaches in promoting and supporting their students, their academies, and promoting snooker in their own countries. So don't wait. Join AQ Snooker Coach Certification Program now.